The stock market is rigged, but this strategy is absolutely killing it. We're looking at May 1st to June 18th. 0 DTE only at Rigged AI. Edge or ADV in the middle, bulls. Because if you looked at the spreadsheet, these things win at a crazy amount. But if we filter the data just a little bit more and put the maximum BL at -2, so we're looking for bulls anything under 2, 24 results. Your diamond hand return, if you just bought every single one at the time of the alert, 380.88%. That's how crazy it was. It just made me like sneeze up, whatever. And obviously a lot of these had really nasty drawdowns, because if you're looking at the 31st, we go from -372 all the way down to -7, or actually -8. Back then, we did not have KTR, KTR2. This would have been a KTR2 fill, but really, you would have lost on this one and then gotten back into the trade here. I mean, that is just bang, bang, boom, PS -15. Absolutely incredible. So yeah, and it's just like literally, oh, broke it real quick. Literally one trade does not return 100%. You're looking at 2 trades that don't return over 100%, buying and holding until the end of the session. So as you know, you've been here a little bit, you're just watching the videos. Rigged AI is an options trading system designed to let you copy trade Wall Street. And Wall Street is PvP. So we need to follow strategy as well, because I'm sure if we look, let's look at a max gain on one of these things. All right, let's pull up 531. You know, and this is what I mean, that it's PvP. That's coming in at 1230. Get off my screen. There are still bears trying to take this thing down, right? You are 5 strikes down. They're still bearing it down. We can't just copy trade Wall Street blindly. We need to use Komodo. And it's like, this is the best example. Komodo told you right here, these things win. And you're still getting 2 strikes down. Komodo is telling you, once we get this low, they normally return 100% or more, over 50% of the time, or 40% of the time. And because of this insane rip until the end, that's how you get your, what is this, 900% return. Absolutely amazing stuff. A lot more of the content is going to be coming out, focusing on these alerts, when to trade them, when to enter, when to exit. Obviously, the biggest mistake you could make here was selling before the end. But really just letting everyone dial into the system a little bit more. Obviously, we're working tirelessly to improve in all aspects, but this, you're going to see some changes coming to the feed soon, where one, we're going to identify what's working and what's not. And then 2, those, collection or whatever you want to call it of alerts are going to be included in Komodo while they're hot. So let me just show you this as an example. I don't know how well you guys can see all this. Let me just like make all this font way bigger. How's that? Are we looking better yet, people? Can we see it on the screen? I think we can. So we're looking at May 1st, June 18th. And when we compare bulls to bears, bulls at the open, Komodo win rates 51%. Yeah, that's an 18.93% bump off of just all of them in general. But when we look at bears at the open, I mean, Komodo's an improvement, but only 42%. Puts suck, very hard to trade. And this is where it is, right? Win rate 75.68%. Komodo is a 34.32% increase over just all of the other alerts. And it gets a little crazy here at the end where bears during the middle are not winning. Komodo is underperforming versus every other alert. And you see the same thing happening here in the final. 18 Komodo bulls, or bears, excuse me, in the final from May 1st to June 18th, and only 2 of them returned 100%. So big changes to the platform coming to push this information out to you guys. So right now, until the bull market ends, till these trends shift, we want to take bulls in the middle, KTR2 if we can. We love it in the final, 57%. But we want Komodo, because if it's not Komodo, these win rates are significantly lower. It's an 87.12% increase from bulls in the final without edge or ADV. That's what you're looking for. Don't trade puts. It's horrible. But you can win sometimes. I don't think so, but you can if you want to. It's a free country. This is America. It's Juneteenth. Go out and celebrate with your people. Much love, and keep it extra frosty. New changes to the app coming soon, but right now, and I'll just include this spreadsheet there at the bottom. Komodo bulls in the middle. Komodo bulls final. And I think Komodo bulls at the open. KTR2 those things all day long.